YouTube. I am downtown Tampa, and I never made a video flying at night, but I'm down here with some buddies of mine. One is doing a live. So we're gonna get this mini drone up in the air.
I got two of them.
I'm just setting up here. And let me sync the video real quick. All right. Okay, you two, let me get this in the air. Oh, I gotta go down, you two. Before I forgot to put my strobe light on. Hooked it up, but forgot to put it on. There we go.
Well, the app will tell you.
See the strobe light there, so let's get back in there.
Fly with caution. They tell you that there's an aircraft in the area.
Hello. Let's just get up quick, but I'm not gonna go high, but we're downtown here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I've seen what you. I think I have that. I don't know if I have that.
We're looking at this arena here. This is where the hockey team plays.
I've heard about that.
I think it's maybe like 8:30 now. But let's get a little more height. I just saw a helicopter. And let's see here. When I got down here, it was sunset. And I don't know if you can see these buildings here, that truss building and stuff like that. Between them. And
live on location, bro. You see what it is?
That's my friend talking. But let's fly down here. Make sure there's no one down there.
About to put the Air 3S up in the air and get some of this twilight footage.
It's Friday night. I was expecting a lot more cars to be out here, but it's not. Make sure I'm not flying over anyone. I see the drone is flashing.
Good, man. Okay, we always catch you heading in for work.
Let's get on up like 400 feet.
Firmware updated.
This is where the cruise line usually takes off, but I didn't see any ships out there today.
We need to see what's happening.
Let's fly between these. It is humid out here. All right, let's look around here. This building here is a aquarium, I think. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yes, because this is the old warship right next to it, American Victory. We'll fly back up here, but it's not going to be a long video. Maybe I'll do a hyperlapse one day. I would love to come down here. I know I will, but again, and do a video. All right, let's get over here. Cruise over here, look down. Oop, I don't know what that was, but gimbal reach. Let's get over here.
Yeah, man.
Let me do a slight orbit.
Let's do a hand launch on the Air 3S.
I'm gonna see this. My friend is launching his Air 3S. He's live, so. And my other friend over there got the Vata 360, I think.
Iceman, what's good with you, man?
Ted, you got the Mini 5 or the Vata?
360, man.
Okay.
Just chilling.
Yeah, he loves that 360, but
Hold up, we got
let's get back over here.
Bond. I don't know who that is.
It is humid out here. It just rained, not much, but it is humid. I'm sweating. Still got a little bit of that sunset. Looks good up there. Looks real good.
I wish there was a way you could share the screen on the live, man. This shit looks good. Y'all see that?
Let's see where I'm going here. Yeah, I definitely want to come do this again. Maybe about 3 weeks ago, we all got together, the three of us again, and we went to a few spots in Bradenton, Florida. Let's see what building this is. Oh, the Marriott. And let's just move on back over here, but just a short video. If it's too short, maybe I'll get the some clips of the video I did earlier, and I'll add them on here. Chasing the sunset. There you go. There's a trust building, and I flew over there before. See how far we can get in. Oh, it looks pretty good. At least on the monitor here. Yeah, let's see what else is up here. I think there's a bank, Region Bank. I flew between these cranes before. Maybe I'll find that video and put it on here. Anyway, I'm gonna land this thing. This is the Leroy Selman. Yeah, I would love to do a hyperlapse out here. Let's see, let's get out of here. There's no cars coming.
This thing is sweet, bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
I should have bought mine. Can't wait to see the footage. No, I didn't bring it out here. I didn't bring it.
Love this because I can fly across.
Yeah, and do a lot of angles.
Different angles.
Yeah. Let me do a return to home here.
I was flying the 360 over that way, and then I lost signal because I'm way over.
He loves that 360. I just wish the battery life on that 360 was a little longer. But it is nice out here. Guess we're landing.
Back up a little bit.
See my buddies in the parking lot.
Yeah, well, since I have this one is a light solution filter that I have on there. So
What a fun night.
out of,
All right, let me stop it. Back it up. And put up the gimbal. Anyway, that's gonna do it for now. I don't know what else we're gonna do. Maybe we'll get some more shots, but peace out.